In this video, I will show you how to create a variable. Okay, maybe you wonder why we will create a variable, because inside, you see the button, elevated button from Flutter, you have the click. In the next video, what we will do is, when we press on this button, we want to change the text inside. First, we need to create a variable for our text. I will cut click with the quotation mark, and I will go, by example, I will go just right there, and I will create a string variable, call it, by example, button name is equal to click. Now we have an error saying, okay, expected to find the semicolon. So we put semicolon and it's good. I will format document, and now we have another error. If we go over my app, we can see that try making all of the field final or removing the keyword const. Oops, I will go over again. Remove the const. Okay, so if we remove the const, here we go. Now we have another error right there. The constructor being called isn't a const. Well, so that's perfect. Let's remove this one also. Seems good. Now if we go down, we are missing the text. And the text is named, oops, I will change this. You will name usually your variable like lowercase letter and capital letter for each words after. So we will copy this bottom name and we will paste it inside text. That's good. If we go over, we still have another error saying evaluation of this constant expression through an exception. And this is because the text is no more a constant because the bottom name can change. It's a variable. So now we are good. But you can see that in the test file, we have an error. If we go inside, we can see that my app with the const, it's no more a constant. So I will remove this one also. Now we can auto reload. And when we auto reload, you see we have an error. And this is because we changed inside the my app, we changed the value const. And when we have like error like this, we just need to restart everything like this. I just restart instead, and now it worked fine. So nothing have changed inside this one, but we have created a variable called bottom name. And in the next video, what we will do is we will change the value of the button click for something else with the variable. So we will change the name of the variable. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.